lelei. Pikhalan.
Kanda pi tharai kan ni kapisa. Kali jauh na kan ni. Ba, ka hospital te kala ajkai nang ni.
Kynthiar shua hang ni hadu nda de por khamo.
Sister, hapsiu kat noma.
Kasurkar kala siulut ikijing lut jing separo. Namar man ka wei pa ka wei ka min siem ka long ka korridor.
Chief Minister ke Assam Himanta Biswa Sarma hawawan kam ukong san hakasngi pengkut ya ke Behdieñkhlam arhaja arponru ke rai juai do ongu wadawanu dewa wanra ye ya toklok bagi pejba ke Meghalaya kamtam ki peyu para ke Kynthiar Hills yo man gale niam ke wajom. Hawakali ye ki kam kaput do ongu wala de jia iwan de ye upan baisman de mensen waman kam chipeyu. Do ongu le wada ye chemu de lenger wa Chief Minister ke Meghalaya de lang Deputy Chief Minister. Hayato waga Behdieñkhlam do ongu wadawan biang chisien without chat do kynthiar le hapoh ke Aitnar. Dawan lang le wa Chief Minister ke Assam CM ke Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council ki isi tuliram ronghang.
This Bonhomi will help in.
I have carried message of goodwill from the state of Assam to our brothers in Meghalaya and more specifically to the brothers and sisters of Kynthiar Hills. I convey my lot of good wishes and I pray for success of the festival.
There are frequent frictions in the border. There are frequent frictions in the border area.
I don't think so. Everything is settled smoothly.
No, how far is it?
Everything is smooth.
So when is the next level of talks? CM level talks.
I kept on meeting CM and Deputy CM. So channel of discussion is always open. We keep on meeting and there is no friction, and whenever something happens, we resolve that immediately with the spirit of friendship.
What is the Behdieñkhlam's experience to you, sir? How is the Behdieñkhlam for you?
I'll come again and I'll also join the festival. I'll also jump in the pond.
Okay, sir.
I'll definitely come.
Okay, sir.
Pak saya kan, Pak saya kan.
Thank you so much.